It's the Vision of Healing Through Dance sneak preview. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause as they come up. Okay, Osse Jean-Louis and Herbertha. Did I say it right? Oh. They're going to be doing the cha-cha-cha. Yeah.
See, there's Vision of Healing Through Dance, and you're gonna see it later. She just had a slight accident with her knees, so she has to dance now.
That's that healing. Claytoo, Lubin, and Danalie and Grand dancing the Kizomba.
All right.
Let's give them a round of applause.
Wanna feel your heartbeat as I'm in your arms.
graceful.
Give us some music. Give us some music.
Sorry. We have Hugues, Napoleon, and Mary Ida Spradlin also doing the cha-cha-cha.
I'm so used to being broke, but not no more. I'm buying all the things I never could afford. Like what the hell? Top shelf. We gon' toast it like a temporary will. Mama told me, baby, save it over me. I probably won't. All this money in my pocket gotta go. I'm so used to being broke. Remember days like just last week. There wasn't nothing in the kitchen left to eat. Now what you want? Go pick it out. My wallet looking bigger than my belly now. The world's changed. They slept on me. They coming back and now they crawling on me. Nothing changed. Same old me. Came up on some change, but that doesn't change a thing. I'm so used to being broke, but not no more. I'm buying all the things I never could afford. Like what the hell? Top shelf. We gon' toast it like a temporary well. Mama told me, baby, save it over me. I probably won't. All this money in my pocket gotta go. I'm so used to being broke. Dropping out of college, said goodbye to that degree. Playing at every college party from Georgia to Tennessee. Packing sticks up in the van, 6-string in my hands. In the parking lot, drinking that out the can. Ain't saying that I'm rich, but I got a couple dollars to blow.
Napoleon, Hugues, and Mary Ida Spalding. Fabulous. Thank you, thank you.
Okay. Let's give our dancers a round of applause. I now need to go get lessons properly. So I'll be ready for November. Everybody's enjoying themselves. All right. That's what's important. We got the blood pumping a little. We're able to move, do some things, learn some new moves. I want to catch y'all in November when we come up on the stage at the end. I want to see you guys doing some of this stuff, okay? Don't leave me by myself. I'm marking you, sir. I heard you back there. Don't you That's the spirit. All right. Yes, sir.
If you want to tell you something.
I was telling him the next dance is going to be you and me.
All right now, you can't handle this. I have some great teachers over here. You better watch out, Kiki. All right, we're still looking through the class. We have next up our unique dancers. They'll be doing a delayed gratification. So let's give them a round of applause as they come out.
again, Gratification. Remix. Lucky Plus.
I've never met a lover like you, who makes me feel the way that you do. You knock me off of my feet, take me higher than the stars, make me feel so good inside. Delay, gratification.
It's always better when you wait.
Delay, gratification. I've been around and I've had a few, but no one makes me feel the way that you do. The love you give me is so sweet. You know just what to do to fulfill my fantasies. Delay, gratification. Delay, gratification.
Menu. Home section.
I've been around and I've had a few,
Too many.
but no one makes me feel the way that you do.
The best.
The love you give me is so sweet. You know just what to do to fulfill my fantasies. Delay, gratification.
It's always better.
Delay, gratification.
Better when we wait. Lucky guitar. Yeah.
Gratification. Delay,
Jazla.
gratification.
It's always better when you wait. It's always better. So leave it.
Gratification.
You gotta take your time, bro.
Gratification.
It's always better when you wait. It's always better. Let it come naturally.
Gratification.
Lucky Plus.
Beautiful.
Ladies and gentlemen, these are the unique dancers from the Unique Dance Studio. I'm sorry, Christine, I just want to help you a little bit because I'm more familiar with the crew. This group here is led by Fabi. Fabi is the daughter of this lady over there. She is the owner of Unique Dance Studio. And thank you very much for giving us your establishments, for all the practicing, all the dancers that you see here. This is where we practice at Unique Dance Studio. Thank you very much, Marjorie. Marjorie, thank you so much.
And guess where the music came from? Lucky Plus. We've been working really hard on this. It's two-step. I'm gonna have my couple minutes, moments, and words in a little bit. But remember, take everything in. Dance lessons are available.
Dance lessons available at Unique Dance Studio.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we have the Fred Astaire of Haiti here in the building. You guys affectionately know him as Michel Francois Jacques and Oliovia Kane as they do the love theme waltz. Let's give them a round of applause.
Michel Francois and Oliovia Kane. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, Michel Francois is the president of Conseil International de la Danse, CID, and American Dance Language Center. Michel Francois is our partner for the November 14 festival, Dance Festival. So this was just a little preview here of what's going to be happening on November 14. Michel Francois is also known as the Haitian Fred Astaire. He's good. Thank you very much.
So now y'all see why we have to take our dance lessons now, so we'll be ready for November, okay? So Unique Dance Studios, I'll be calling because I know I got it. I'll come up there and do some Bayesian or Trinidadian stuff for y'all. That's all I know.
Kiki's gonna dance with you.
All right. Before I bring up the star of the show, I was told to let you guys know on either side of the room, they put dessert out for you. So if you have a sweet tooth itch, you can go ahead and crave it when you like. The desserts are on the table for you. Okay. So we have, closing out our show this evening, Claytoo, Lubin, and Fabiola Vincent dancing Konpa.
Konpa, Seul, Lanmou by LuckyPlus.
LuckyPlus 2026.
La vie a, c'est un boule qu'a boulé. Yon jour pour chasser, yon jour pour gibier. Chaque jour soleil levé, et puis soleil couché. Étoiles briller, petits oiseaux chanter. Sans parler pour maman, pas souhaiter belle-mère. Parce que sans planter, c'est lui récolter. Tout côté au passé, planter racine l'amour. Tout peuple sous la terre, pas gagner une vie meilleure. Même si vous êtes un docteur, même si vous êtes un ingénieur, si vous pas gagné l'amour dans le cœur, vous pas camper soigné. Même si vous êtes un président, même si vous parlez cette langue, c'est celle l'amour qui cache le fait cœur. L'amour, 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 c'est celle l'amour, oui, qui cache le fait. Oui, c'est celle l'amour, chérie. L'amour, l'amour.
On me love.
C'est celle l'amour, oui, qui cache en fait. Oui, c'est celle l'amour. Même si vous êtes un docteur, même si vous êtes un ingénieur, même si vous êtes un tailleur, même si vous êtes un coiffeur, même si vous êtes un tapiateur, même si vous êtes un musicien.
L'amour, 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 c'est celle l'amour, oui, qui cache en fait.
Oui, c'est celle l'amour.
L'amour, 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 c'est celle l'amour, oui, qui cache en fait.
Même si vous sont président, vous avez besoin d'amour. On parle d'amour.
L'amour, 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 c'est celle l'amour, oui, qui cache en fait.
Oui, c'est celle l'amour.
Saisi.
Plus.
Let's keep the party going now. Let's keep this party going strong.